Hey guys, so I just want to discuss really quick regarding how the whole situation with Congress passing the bill to release the Epstein Files, and now Trump said that he would sign it into law. I just want to remind everyone that Trump does not need the Congress to pass any bill for him to sign into law to release the Epstein Files. Trump could release it anytime he wanted. He could have ordered the Department of Justice to release anytime they felt like it since the second he was in power as a president back in January of this year. To now he could have done it anytime he felt like it. So don't fall for it thinking that, oh, Trump finally is being transparent. No, he's not. More than likely, they're going to redact anything related to Republicans, especially Trump's name on it. And beyond that, I'm pretty damn certain they will also just alter certain information on the Epstein files. The reason why I think that is the case is because Trump has been very, very, very suspicious with the way he's been conducting himself throughout this whole Epstein scandal situation. He himself brought this up again in 2024 as part of his campaign to release the Epstein files and mention the Epstein client list. So that rattled up the mega crowd. Makes sense, right? And then he won the presidency, right? He won the second term, came into light, into the spotlight again. People asking, what the Epstein files? When are you going to release it? He claimed that he would do it later. Then he said he's not going to. Then he claimed it's all a Democratic hoax. And then tons of things are being released solely. Some thousands of documents being released solely. And then the whole situation with him potentially giving BJ to Bill Clinton, Bubba, all that. And then claimed that was a lie, and then there's some sort of evidence, again, more circumstantial evidence that he was even closer to Jeffrey Epstein than we thought before, even all the way to the date before he died, back I think in 2019. And there's some information potentially that he sexually assaulted children, so even more so now than ever before. And now suddenly he wants to sign that bill into law, even though he does not have to do any of that. It's all performative, and it seems like they most definitely redact information related to him and all the Republicans. They're probably just going to leave Democratic names, and most likely it was altered by either using AI, whatever the case may be. For sure, FBI already admitted that they'll redact in Trump's name anyway multiple times, and DOJ, they all admitted to this. So officials in that department. So just keep that in mind. Just give my 2 cents that this is all BS. Don't fall for Trump's bullshit. He's definitely guilty of sexual assault and children.